Creo Layout is a new Creo application for 2D conceptual engineering. Many companies, even though they use 3D solid modeling as their preferred engineering tool, still maintain some 2D CAD in-house. In this case, what they want to do is take advantage of the flexibility that the 2D CAD offers them for being able to make large, unpredictable changes and explore multiple design alternatives in a very flexible way. The challenges that many companies incur when they use both 2D and 3D is that these tools are fundamentally disconnected. The design that's created in 2D, in order to be reused in 3D, there needs to be some kind of import process, or in many cases companies just recreate the data in 3D. And it's this disconnect that really causes inefficiencies in the design process. Because the 2D tool and the 3D tool are disconnected, any changes that are made in the 2D environment are not automatically reflected in 3D. So the user either needs to go through the re-import process or recreate that change or make that change twice. So the result of this is that even though they want to use 2D as the upfront tool, in many cases, because of this transition, they have to give up on the 2D design tool earlier in the process than they want to, because they've already moved it over into 3D models, and now having to go back to make that change in 2D and in 3D twice is just so inefficient. Creo Layout solves this problem. Creo Layout is a sophisticated design environment, 2D design environment, that contains all the tools the user would need to work on designs in 2D. We've also added integration with 3D, so those 2D designs can be used directly in the 3D CAD environment to drive the 3D designs. Because Creo Layout is built on the Creo Common Data Model, we can seamlessly integrate this 2D data into the other Creo 3D modeling tools. And since we're directly using the 2D data in the 3D environment, any subsequent changes to that 2D data are automatically propagated into the 3D environment. Creo Layout allows a user to start a new design using either an existing 2D drawing as the basis or by importing a cross-section from a 3D model. Creo Layout provides a set of sophisticated 2D drafting tools, including guides and precision panels, to allow the user to create their 2D designs. We've also added tools to organize and manipulate the 2D geometry. So we can use tools like mirror, copy, offset, as well as structure, tags, and groups to organize that design. Creo Layout also offers a set of detailing capabilities. We can add dimensions, notes, or tables, drawing formats to the 2D design. And when the 2D design is ready to be brought over into 3D, the user can directly assemble the Creo Layout file into his assembly model. It can be at that point be used as an assembly reference for other components, or copy geometry can be used to take some of the geometry from the layout file and bring that into part models to be used as a reference for part features. Because we're directly using the 2D layout in the 3D modeling environment, any subsequent changes that are made to the 2D file are automatically propagated into the 3D models, and the 3D models can be automatically updated to reflect those changes. Creo Layout is an exciting addition to the Creo product family. If you'd like to learn more, please visit the product pages on ptc.com.